Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Crew 2 not launching on PS4. First, basic troubleshooting. Restart your PS4, turn off the console and unplug it from the power source for a minute or two to clear temporary files. Check internet connection, ensure your internet is stable, as a poor connection can prevent the game from launching. Switching to a wired connection can help rule out Wi-Fi issues. Update the game. Make sure the Crew 2 has all the latest updates installed. More advanced steps. Clear corrupted saved data. Go to Settings, then Storage, Save Data, the Crew 2, and delete any corrupted files. Restore licenses. Go to Settings, Account Management, then Restore Licenses, and select Restore. Rebuild the database. Turn off your PS4, then press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps to enter safe mode. Select Rebuild Database. Reinstall the game. Delete the game from your PS4 and then reinstall it from the PlayStation Store or your disc. Some other potential fixes include turning off recommendations. Some players have found success by turning off the recommendations toggle in the game settings after the game has loaded once. This may require waiting for the game to load after the first attempt. If none of the above steps work, contact Ubisoft support to create a support case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.